Hey guys, loud Lexus, loud town car, Matt here. Thought I'd do a video on this anyways. I know I haven't been on the YouTube channel for a while. A little sick, so voice sounds deeper than usual. But just thought I'd share this because I thought it was pretty cool. My headlamp on here. So this is our 2006 Sienna. We've almost got 330,000 kilometers on it. Bit of an oil leak, so I'm just checking the oil today. Checking the battery because I'm getting some issues. So I have a Kenwood aftermarket head unit in here. You know me, always had good tunes. No subs in this, but Kenwood deck does great, pushing the 6 stock speakers. And last night when I'm driving, hitting a bump, the head unit reset. And I'm thinking, okay, well, it's got to be wires loose in the back. But also I've been having this issue with my LEDs. You can see the silver plug there. Now, I will just go to stock bulbs on this van, even though these LEDs, you can kind of aim them. I believe the beam is too high. So that's fine. I'm going to go back to stock bulbs. That's it. For me now, with any accessories on vehicles, I'm just going with stock. Got to keep it simple, keep it reliable. Anyways, so then I'm thinking more about the battery. And the battery's been starting fine. So what I learned about AGMs is its plates inside. So they said when it starts getting old, the plates can actually move around and it actually gets kind of glitchy. So, I mean, it's done its life. Look, this battery, I don't know when this means it was made or when this was put on the shelf, but regardless, it's 8 years old. Google told me that for this AGM battery, I'm on bonus time. So one thing that's pretty cool, I'm getting about 12.05 with the terminals connected. With the terminals off, I'm getting 12.17. Still on the lower end of what a car battery should be. But they say even at a lower voltage, an AGM will still start strong. So, I mean, it's just this our daily driver. Time to get a new battery. I think I will get another AGM. Because I also heard too, if you have subs and stuff, it's just better. It can handle more of a discharge and be brought up again. I do have a Norco battery charger in the mail because my Acura has the battery's just always up and down on that. So to pay $50 to have a charger that can bring the battery back, use it a few more years, whatever. Anyways, different story. I'm blabbing on. But pretty cool that, you know, this battery was in the Lexus, which you go back a bunch of videos, you'll see it there, brand new, all nice and clean. Probably in the Lexus for a few years, and then I had an issue with the battery we got when we got this van. So I swapped it over. It's the same size. And that's it. So, yeah. Good to see you guys again. I don't know if I'll start posting. You know what? Maybe. Let's throw a video out a month of just some stuff that's going on. And, yeah, I was actually watching my old videos the other day and thought, you know, yeah, I used to have a pretty good habit with that stuff. So I do want to put, I have subs everywhere. I'm going to have a kicker square right there. Check out our Mercedes Power Wheels. But yeah, I wanted to put like 500 watt amp in here and just have a small box in the back, possibly with the SMD magnet disconnect, because then it'd be so simple if I need all the space to just unplug the magnet. My idea as well was to have a switch on the aux wire just under the dash so that like when I'm not using the sub, turn it off so no power goes to the amp. Because realistically, when I'm driving alone is when I'm going to want the bass, which is not much, but let's say 10% of the time I'm in the van alone. I don't know. It's just ideas, right? Anyways, hopefully if any of my old viewers, you're doing good. And yeah, I'm going to upload this. Let's see how it does. And yeah, time for a new battery. And also I'm filming this on my iPhone 16 Pro. So let me know how the quality is. And yeah. I don't know if I've ever done any videos on the van, but She's at almost 330,000 kilometers. Done a lot for us. And yeah, go Toyota, go Lexus. And I got my Acura out there. Probably need to do a video on that. I don't think I've ever given a tour or nothing. But yeah, peace out. Keep it real. See you in the next one.